everyone! Today our video about November Digital Bullet Journal, and I decided to make it quickly because I want to show you that you can do it easily. And for this purpose I will use Zinnia app that I reviewed earlier, but we have here some changes, and I will show all of these changes in another video. If you want my November journal, please DM me using Instagram, and let's start with creation. Quick overview. First of all, I will create November Digital Bullet Journal like a regular journal in GoodNotes because I have free version of Zinnia app. Then I will choose templates that I like and copy and paste into GoodNotes. And here some minor changes and we have our journal. That's why this app is so amazing. But price tag and these changes, it's kinda complicated thing, and I feel that I need to create another video. I will explain how to use this app for free with good results and not so good results. There are some pluses and minuses that you should know. And of course, if you will drag and drop it, like in other apps, the same situation here, this sticker starting to decrease in quality if you are just drag and drop, just copy and paste it into GoodNotes. Reminding that in another video I will show how to avoid this, I hope. But for my purpose, I don't think that I will zoom in so hard and there would be some problems with this part. And overall, if you don't want to spend time only to see quality of lines when you are zooming in and out, then this way is great for quick templates. Also, you can create it in Zinnia and then export like a whole page into GoodNotes. But all of this, you can just spend some time and try it for yourself. If someone will need some instructions, I will create another videos, but for this purpose you should comment down below if you have some questions, if you want video like this and all of this stuff. Because I'm not a magician and I can't read your mind and your thoughts, but it would be cool. Okay, I saved a bunch of little things that I will use in creation. And for now, I want to save this page and maybe this and this, because it's actually very, very balanced template. I don't know, looks not bad, but I don't think that this is something that I will need in my November journal. And let's select it and delete. Okay. Next, weekly templates. Cool, but I don't like that it's kinda grayish. I don't feel that this is something that stands out from other things. I don't know. Not bad. These black dots but it's not ideal because it's kinda have space up and down that I can utilize, but I don't know. I can't. And this note's not bad, but still. Next template. Cool, but I don't feel that this template is actually what I need for this month. And let's delete it. Select this one and maybe grayish and trash it. And now I have another template and another page. It's monthly page for habits. Okay, weekly list or this one? Maybe this or maybe this one. I'm actually think that this is better. This much cleaner and simple template. And also I have some space for my notes and other things. Okay, I'll delete this. Habit tracker. I saved a couple of habit trackers and this one I like definitely. 15 habits, it's enough for me. Another thing, this is kinda similar to previous template, this weekly template. Maybe I will try it. I don't want to delete it, definitely. And another one, habit tracker that I saw. I mean this one. I want to have something like this monthly fitness tracker, but I'm not sure. Just maybe workout like monthly habit would be enough to check. Okay, then I'll delete it. Select, delete, and last one is this November calendar and this one. I like this vertical thing more, but it's looking also great. But I like this one. And still, this is high contrast thing. This one isn't so bad, even with these grayish lines. Okay, I will delete it. And what we have now, it's November calendar, as always. Habits. Okay. Weekly list number 1 and number 2. Next page in pink color. Okay. Just okay. And another today template. And something strange. This like my notes. Now I should decorate it, but I don't want to overcomplicate it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!